dreads. Fucking...
Nice. Very controlled. Okay. One of these in a while. That would explain it. What are you doing, line 2? Oh. So they told us we say this. What's the plan?
I think they're the ones going on the
Oh, okay.
I'll let you go forward and I'll come back here. I'll see what I'm doing.
That's right. Don't have to say sorry about everything, it's fine, I'm just gonna chill.
Oh, it's muddy.
Probably went in when we... Sorry?